Hello everyone, today I'm here again with another exciting project done by me. Welcome to World Weather Hub, a dynamic web application that brings accurate, real-time weather updates for any city around the globe, right to your browser. With World Weather Hub, you can either allow the app to access your location or manually search for any city. The app fetches current weather, temperature, humidity, wind speed, and condition icons. Additionally, the app displays a friendly greeting based on the local time, like carrying an umbrella for rain or a jacket for cold weather. You also get the current local date and time, so everything is fully contextualized for the location you are checking. Another handy feature is the quick traveling tip block, which gives concise advice on what to pack or wear if you are traveling to that region, like jackets, boots, sunscreen or light summer wear depending on the conditions. Let me give you a peek under the hood. The app is built using Python and Flask for the backend, handling requests and fetching weather data. Open Weather Map API to get real-time weather forecasts. JavaScript on the front end to make it interactive, updating the DOM dynamically with temperatures, icons and greetings. HTML and CSS to design a clean, responsive interface, including dynamic backgrounds and emoji animations for different weather conditions. The app also uses geolocation APIs to fetch weather automatically for your current location, and environment variables for securely storing the Open Weather API key is the main feature. World Weather Hub combines functionality, real-time data, and intuitive design to provide a complete weather experience. Whether you are planning your day or traveling abroad, this app gives you all the weather insights you need in one place. And don't forget to check the quick traveling tip for each city. It's a small but handy guide to make your travels comfortable and safe. Thank you for watching and check out World Weather Hub to make weather planning easy, accurate and fun. Bye-bye.